What's up, everybody? Chef Roundeye here on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. On today's episode, we're going keto style stuffed bell peppers on the Blackstone Griddle. Griddle up.
3, 2, 1.
The ingredients for our keto stuffed bell peppers. Obviously, these 4 beautiful bell peppers already hollowed out, ready to go. For our meat, we're using lean ground beef I picked up at Publix. I'm going to cook up some onions, a yellow sweet onion, salt, pepper. I took 8 garlic cloves, chopped them up. We're going to substitute rice with riced cauliflower. Nice mozzarella cheese to melt over the top. And instead of using just a regular tomato sauce, I'm going to be using crushed tomatoes. Let's get this delicious food on the griddle. Let's get these big bell peppers on the griddle top, start softening them up. These tops, what I'll do with these is keep them warm, and at the very end, when I've got the cheese on there, I'll throw the tops on, put a little bit more cheese where the stems were cut out, let it kind of melt over, and then that'll be finished. So I've got these 2 aluminum tins filled with water, about half a cup each. I'm going to keep them under my warmer. That'll keep steam underneath the warmer to help keep these bell peppers nice and hot. So our peppers, they're hot, they're starting to cook. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide these right underneath here. They'll stay upside down, that steam will rise and go the rest of the way. Just throw our lids right over here. Little olive oil and our onions. This is half of a sweet onion chopped up. I wanted to get it going first before I throw the meat on. Just over a pound of lean ground beef. Some salt. Black pepper. And chopped garlic. The best part about this lean ground beef, it doesn't have a lot of grease in it when you cook with it, which is a good thing, especially when you're going keto style. Meat and onions are done. Cauliflower. Check out how these guys are doing. They're a little bit harder than I'd like. Might have to throw those back on there, really heat them up, keep everything else off to the side, or maybe get it in a bowl separate till these are more satisfied with them. All right. Cauliflower is done. Cauliflower, meat, cauliflower. All right, let's get everything over here in the middle. And then we will add our crushed tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes. So we've got that crushed tomato. It is blended in nicely. Everything is looking very good here on the guts as far as our keto stuffed bell peppers. We're going to move this over to the side. So to help warm these up and get them going a little bit faster, I'm going to dome these. All Add a little water for steam. Still want them, they were just still a little bit too hard. They should be a little bit softer for this cook. So I want these to, again, soften up a little bit more. I don't want them too crunchy. Well, we'll see how it turns out in the end. Okay, so I've let these peppers sit on here and I've flipped them twice. I've let them sit for a total of about 15 minutes. Half the time, the way I set them on there. Then I flipped them for about 4 minutes. Then I flipped them back over. I think they're where we need to be, so let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, this one being as big as it is, it's not as soft as I was like. It's going to have more crunch. The other three here, you could tell the steam did the job. I probably should have done this in the beginning. 15 minutes, get these completely done, put them onto the side, so I could have gone right from finishing the guts to stuffing the peppers. So what we're going to do first, little mozzarella cheese we're going to put at the base of each one. We're not going to go too crazy like we did in the pizza episode. Mozzarella, mozzarella, we need lots of mozzarella. That was insane. All right. Let's get these filled up. Packed in here with the good stuff. All right, let's get some more cheese on top here. And let's get our caps on here. Go red here, yellow here, orange here, green here. Just a little bit of cheese in the top. Dress it up. We've got our lid. Add a little steam. Melt that cheese. And here we go. Let's see how we look. Oh yeah. Don't know why this one didn't melt as much, maybe because there's just a little more cheese in there. But I'm happy with that. Let's get these off the griddle top onto our warming rack here. Get these in that belly.
Get in my belly!
Here it is, the final product. Keto Stuffed Bell Peppers. Let's get these on the plate. The whole recipe, very simple. It's normal stuffed peppers, however you like them, except to go keto style, I substitute the rice for a riced cauliflower. Let me know what you think in the comment box below, if you think this is something that you would cook up. But let's go ahead and let's see if it tastes as good as it looks, because that's where it counts. Oh yeah, pepper's not too crunchy, but not too soft, just right. I got to get some with some cheese on here. There we go, that's a good spot. Here we go. Keto Stuffed Bell Peppers. Absolutely delicious. Look at all that. Packed in nicely. This is delicious. A nice, plentiful cook. I've got plenty of guts left over. I can use that for something else. Or if you just save it, get some more bell peppers, get them warmed up, softened up, and then fill them up and cover them with cheese. But, you know, I really hope you enjoyed this cook. I know I enjoyed cooking it for you guys. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, maybe you consider subscribing and hit that like button. Everyone, Keto Stuffed Bell Peppers on the Griddle Food Network. Round eye out. Griddle up.